Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Vauxhall Corsa Limited Edition 3-door. This vehicle is currently done 26,652 miles and it's finished in the colour Magma Red. For that more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have daytime running lights there. They really complement the vehicle well and give you great visibility throughout the day. You have your chrome grille there with the Vauxhall badge in the centre. Nice chrome detailing next to the fog lamps. Here at the side you have your 17-inch alloy wheels. You have your limited edition badge in there underneath your indicator. You do have contrasting black door mirrors along with a black roof as well. Take a look inside here at the rear. You do have 3 rear seats with a nice textured cloth in the centre of them, and there are ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And your front seats do fold back into position once you've gained access to the rear seats. Now let's head to the rear of the vehicle. You have your Corsa 1.2 badging on the tailgate, and opening up the boot here, you have a nice amount of space here. You can easily fit a weekly shopping. You do have tethering points so you can tighten the loads down if you need to. It's very handy if you don't want anything to be moving around freely while you're on the go. You do have a handle up top that allows you to easily close the tailgate. And now let's take a look inside here at the front. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there, and you have nice red detailing around the air vents to complement the exterior colour. You have your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Vauxhall has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments. This allows you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear of the vehicle. It's very handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You have your window switches there. You do have your headlight switch here on the dashboard. You have your front and rear fog lamps as well, which are great for when it's foggy. You have some controls here for making adjustments to your radio volume. You have your wiper stalk there. You do have your indicator stalk along with your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. Now here in the centre you do have your radio. You have your controls for it here in the dashboard with your screen up top, so you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road to check what station you're listening to. You do have FM and AM radio, and you can also connect your own source of audio with auxiliary input. You have your button there for locking the doors, and here below you do have your air conditioning. You can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool with the controls very easy to use with a nice clear layout. You have your auxiliary input there along with 2 cup holders and some coin slots as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Vauxhall Corsa Limited Edition 3-door. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.